love to spend money on this thing.
At least.
Yep.
Good. Alright, gonna get that left hip evened out here. Try to lift your left leg as high as you can. Good. And then try your right. Right was easier than the left, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're just gonna get that tailbone adjusted here. Alright, go ahead and try that left again. Hey, there you go. And the right. Good job, even. Awesome. Hold it in place on the plate. 5 minutes. Be good.
You didn't get any trouble, did you?